Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, she's making quinoa salad. This is quite refreshing and delicious, nutritious. Of course, quinoa is highly nutritional, but can have some anti-nutritional factors which you eliminate basically through rinsing and boiling. So Knox starts off by rinsing 2 or 3 times the quinoa. And quinoa is not technically a grain, it's the seed of a plant in the amaranth family, native to South America, widely used there. So she's covered it with water and she'll start boiling it on medium to medium high heat. She needs to soften it up and also dry it out. So she's reduced the heat now to low heat to just continue drying it. She's checked that it's already soft to the touch. And then when it's dry enough, she'll just turn off the heat and set it aside. Now she's going to make the dressing for this salad. She starts by using her own homemade syrup. This one is a little opaque because it was recently made, so it has bubbles entrained in it. Adding salt and vinegar, and that's it. So here's a look at all the ingredients. This is very simple and delicious. She has corn and Job's tears, which is a grain, actually technically a grain, maybe the oldest cultivated grain in the world, originally from Asia. Also quite nutritional, has a hard shell, needs to be boiled. Check in the future for a video on Job's tears. And she's just going to put the salad together now. And we're lucky enough to have fresh farm stand corn here, which has just been boiled and then shaved off the cob. And Nok just mixes this well and checks for the flavor, and then she's ready to put the salad together with a little bit of lettuce and cherry tomato. For us, this can be a meal in itself, really. It's quite packed with nutritional value and very delicious, refreshing. Thanks for watching the video, and Nok looks forward to showing you other versions of salads in the future. Bon appetit!